North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Brooke Point, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Long Island, Maryland.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 10:15 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 23 nautical miles northwest of Gunpowder River to 15 nautical miles west of Middle River to 14 nautical miles northwest of Fort Smallwood State Park, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Turkey Point, North Point State Park, Hart Miller Island, Gunpowder River, Northeast River, Tilchester Beach, Wharton Point, Pools Island, Spassuti Island and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the Southeastern District of Columbia, Southwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, North Central Charles County in southern Maryland, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, southern Arlington County in northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, central Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia until 9 p.m. At 8:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from
North Central Charles County, 5 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar Arlington County in northern Virginia.
Damaged winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles.
Radar indicated. Damaged winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured wireless nets may become trickle-down. Locations of active compute, Arlington, Alexandria, Waldorf, Arundel, Clinton, Springfield, Fort Washington, Fairfax, Fort Worth, Vienna, Groveland, Forestfield, Cross Church, Huntington, Marshall, Coral Hills, Maitland, Fort Calvert, National Harbor, and Maxwell's Park. For your protection locations for your rooms on the lowest floor of the building. Large stress and damage resulting from continuous clouds to ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 10:30 p.m. At 8:29 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park to Woodrow Wilson Bridge, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, owners and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. A chance of shower locations impacted include with the Chester River, Eastern Bay, Blackcomb Point, Valley Point, Herring Bay, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Chesapeake Beach, Miles River, Love Point, and North Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Saturday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Highs in the lower 60s.
Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northwestern Charles County in southern Maryland, southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, southeastern Prince William County in northern Virginia until 9:45 p.m. At 8:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dale City, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Thunderstorm was located near Dale City,
All
moving
trees
at
and large
35
branches
miles
and
per hour.
branches to fall.
Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts.
As well as 10 miles
Source, radar indicated.
roadway may
Impact, damage winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. Wind storms can avoid, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become upside-down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light projects may become quick attacks. Locations impacted include Roswell, Dale City, Courthouse, Fort Washington, Fort Hunt, Rock Oda, Fort Alva, Woodbridge, Fort Ridge, Clinton Hall, Montclair, Logan, Lincoln, Triangle, Guthrie, State Town, Manassas, Cherry Hill, Mount Vernon, and Akron. For your protection resources, carry a ring on the lowest floor of the building.
southwestern Georgia and Montgomery and Alabama.
Numerous showers, storms, until some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds. Lows in the mid-60s. West winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%.
The Choptank River, Pawtuxet River to Boones Island, Maryland, until 11 p.m. At 8:56 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mayo to 7 nautical miles southeast of Fort Washington to Quantico, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, motors and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Choptank River, Hooper Island Light, St. Leonard Creek, Solomon's Island, Couple Creek, Sound Creek, Drum Point, Bears Beach, James Island, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs, the Targus, Richland Point Buoy, Blackonet Point, Chesapeake Beach, and Taylor's Island. Waterspouts were located near the hub, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small tail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will be near the hut around 9:15 p.m. Buoy 36 at around 9:30 p.m. Cabbage Patch, Plantation Light, Cape Charles Harbor, and Latimer Shoals around 9:35 p.m. Chesapeake on three ships around 9:40 p.m. Move to Safe Harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the official message. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the Southern District of Columbia, Southwestern and Arundel County in central Maryland, northern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northern Charles County in southern Maryland until 10 p.m. At 9:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Nashville to Fort Washington.
Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the Southern District of Columbia, Southwestern Arundel County in central Maryland, southern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northern Charles County in southern Maryland, over 10 p.m. At 9:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from National Weather to nearby Washington to Airport, moving at 30 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard 80 miles per hour. Source, adverse winds. A long watch of over 80 miles per hour was measured in consequence. In fact, expect considerable damage to trees and power lines. Realize the significant risk of outdoors. In addition to some trees falling into homes, rain damage is possible to roofs, floods, open garages, and mobile homes. Locations in Texas include Calvert, Fort Washington, Las Vegas, National Harbor, off the Marlboro, Andrews Air Force Base, Camp Springs, Sun Hill, Rosaryville, Fenway, Markham, Chapel Hill, Monmouth, Dunkirk, St. Charles, Cooking, Bryan Road, Brandywine, and Fort China. For your protection rules for an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Lows of weather warnings for imminent damage. Winds around 5 miles an hour.
From Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 11:30 p.m. At 9:30 p.m., gust drops were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northeast of Post Creek to Angelo Creek, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Washington, Anne Arundel County, Charles County, and Prince George County, effective until 10:04 p.m.
Locations impacted include Yoko Eco River, Brett River, St. Clement Bay, mouth of the Potomac River,
Nantucket Creek, Cobb Island, Point Lookout, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Lipaz Point,
United States, 3019 Memorial Bridge,
St. George Island, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, Oaks Creek, Coles Point, Tall Timbers, Fairview Beach, Piney Point, and Colonial Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A special marine warning remains in effect until 10 p.m. Now for the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central and Arundel County in central Maryland, northern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, Calvert County in southern Maryland, Southeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, East Central Charles County in southern Maryland until 10:15 p.m. At 9:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marlton to 6 miles southwest of Dunkirk to 6 miles east of La Plata, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include
oh God,
60 miles per hour wind gusts.
WXMD.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles.
Taking a look.
Now for the National Weather Service Marine Forecast for the tidal Potomac
Down Creek, Ridgeway, Broadway, California, Golden Beach, Denver, Lofty, St. Leonard, Hollywood, Silver River Naval Air Station, Huntingtown, Drum Point, and Huntersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Northwest wind 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Thursday night, northeast winds surrounding.
For the following counties, District of Columbia, and the following counties, in Maryland, Calvert, Charles, Prince George's, and St. Mary's, and the following counties.
in the following.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Anne Arundel County, Calvert County, Charles County, Prince George County, and St. Mary County, effective until 10:20 p.m.
Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Key West to Indian Head, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Calvert.